Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome you all. Hope it's going well, inshallah. Hope everything is easy to now. Nice to have you again, and inshallah we're starting new lesson. We're gonna first continue the lesson that we started last time, the compound letters. So just going through it, like declaring the differences, the different shapes of the letters. And if you have any confusion, I hope it's going to be like corrected today. And if you have any questions, please try to leave it in the comments or reach out to me or any of the friends who are helping with this work, inshallah. So we started last time the compound letters, and we said Arabic letters, like when it comes to writing, are connected, not like the English letters. So that's why we're going to have different shapes for each single letter according to the position of the letter in the word, if it's coming in the beginning, middle, or the end. So coming here, the first one is Alif, and we all know the letter Alif. The next one we said it last time, Lam Alif. And this is the same here, Lam Alif, but just different shape of it. So the next one here, Ba Alif, and we said always we're going from the right to the left. So the first one, Ba, the next one, Alif, Ba Alif. The same for this one as those. It is also Lam Alif. Going from the right, we have Lam Alif. Then the next letter, which is the Lam, we all know this, and we declared how we can write it too. The next one also still Lam Alif. So here it comes to this one, which is a little confusing. Like we have here two letters on top of each other. So as we said last time, always the top letter comes first, which is the Lam here. So the Lam, sometimes we're going to find it written on top of some letters. Like you may have it like this also sometimes. Okay. So or like the same as the one that we have here, like you're gonna find it like this. So this is the lam here. We say al-ha. Okay. So sometimes also you may find it as ba or noon, like you're gonna find it written like this. So you may have just one dot here and the ha after. So we have first the top letter, which is a ba. This is the second one, which is a ha. Sometimes you're gonna find it ta, like that. Or sometimes you can find it like noon. Fine. So always the top letter comes first. So we have here noon and ha beneath. Sometimes it's gonna take like different shape and the same, but like takes another shape like this. This one is not lam. If you would focus lam much longer here, and always you're gonna find a dot. If I have any dots, like according to the position of the dot, we got the letter. Like we have one dot beneath, so of course this is ba. If we have two dots, of course this is ya. If we have like one dot on top, this is noon. If we have two dots on top, this is ta. Three dots top, it is ta. Okay, so the first letter is ta and the second letter is ha. We're gonna have this shape a lot through the Quran. So here again, lam alif. Coming to this one, from the right to the left, we have ba, lam, ba. And focus, the one in the middle is lam, not alif. As we said, if you remember, alif not connected to the next letter, like the lam. So if it was alif, would be like taking this shape here, not connected to the last ba. Fine. So also realize that the letter that comes at the end after alif, it comes as a separate shape because it's not connected to the letter before. Fine. So this one is the kaf at the beginning and the middle too. We mentioned this last time. And this is the kaf separate or when it comes at the end of the word. So here at the beginning, we have kaf, ba. This is also kaf, ba, and we declared kaf always goes up, but yeah, goes down. So you have here the line of writing. So kaf is on top, but yeah, if we have this, it goes down. Okay. And also, this is not the shape of the at the beginning and the middle. We said the shape of the beginning like this. One tooth with two dots beneath, right? Or the middle two gonna be like that. This is a yeah in the middle and the beginning, but just at the end, it's gonna take the shape here. and focus, it goes down to the line. Okay, so here it's easy now. I think كاف ألف كاف ألف با كاف تا تا كاف ثا. I hope that's fine to know. We have also the bell letter da, the noon, the separate shape of the noon, and the separate shape of the ya. So those 5 letters again coming after each other to tell you they are like similar. When they come in the beginning and or the middle, they are taking the same shape, but again, according to the dots I have, I get the letter. Okay. So of course here I have ba alif, but focus here it's noon alif, goes the dot on top, not beneath. 2 dots on top, ta alif. 2 dots beneath, ya alif. Then here, tha alif. And please focus on the difference between tha and sheen, goes sheen gonna be like that, 3 teeth with 3 dots, but tha has just 1 tooth. So here, next one, ba sin, ya sin. So next, the same, noon sin, da sin. So if you would focus, this is the shape of the noon, da, da at the beginning, the ya at the beginning, and so on. And also, this is the shape of the sin at the end. So realize that the sin is the last letter here and connected to the letter before, and it takes the separate shape. Okay, so if this is a line, we're gonna find it like the same like this. Okay, noon, sin. So da, sin, tha, sin. Focus. Da, sin, tha, sin. Then we have tha, jim, da, ha, noon, kha, ya, ha, ba, jim, ya, meme. This is one of the shapes of the meme that I mentioned. If you remember, we said the meme like takes separately the shape here. But like I told you before, it may come at the end like taking the shape or this one that we have here. Also, the next two, this one here, I have here just 1 tooth with 1 dot beneath, so this is ba, and the next letter here is meme. Folks, meme is the only letter that has downward alif that goes downward. So that's why it is meme, ba, meme, noon, meme. So the line would be like this, or same here like this too. So we have noon, meme, da, meme. So the next one, the, meme, and focus on this one is formative 2 letters, ba and the ya, right? So we have, if we would connect them like together, gonna be like this, or gonna be like this, or like the one that we have here, okay? So we have, anyways, we have 1 tooth with dot beneath and the ya here. The same, we have ba, ya, ba, ya. Okay. So this is gonna be ba, ya, ya, ya. The first one is the ya at the beginning, the shape of it at the beginning of the word. And the next one, like, just connected to it. So again, it's formed of 2 ya. The first, then the second. This is written like this, goes, again, this is the shape of the at the beginning, and this is written like this, goes, this is the shape of the when it comes at the end, connected to the letter before. So we have it also maybe like this, maybe like this, or maybe the same shape that we have here. Fine. The same for the noon. Okay. Noon, yeah, da, yeah, da, yeah. Okay, so the last line here, we have noon, ba, lam, da, noon, lam, ba, ya, lam. So this is the shape of the ya in the middle. Looks like the same at the end, at the beginning, I'm sorry. And also here, the shape of the noon in the middle, the ba in the middle, so on. We have here tha, tha, lam, noon, ba, noon. Okay. So the aim of this lesson actually to like recognize the letters when I have them in different positions. So I would be able to like differentiate between the ba in the middle, beginning, and the end, not mixing between the tha and the sha. Also not mixing between any letter like meme at the end or any other letter, because a lot of people actually mix between the meme and the other letters at the end. Also the yeah, like it has different shapes, and also the nun at the end, not like the nun at the beginning, as we have here. This is the nun at the beginning, but this is the shape of the nun at the end. Okay. So the same here, gonna be the same shapes, the same thing that we did. Like uh here we have ba, nun, nun. So this is a nun in the middle, this is a nun at the end, ba at the beginning, da, ya, nun. So I think it's easy to know. So next group is jim, ha, kha. So we know the shapes of the ha, kha, jim at the beginning, and the middle even the same, like but just connected from both sides. Okay. So when it comes to the ta marbuta, don't forget not to mix it with the ha. Okay. So we said if we have it with two dots, it's ta marbuta or tied ta. But if we have it without dots, this is ha. Okay. So basically we have here ba, da, ya, ha. This is ta and this is ha also. One of the shapes of the ha that we have according to the handwriting also. Okay. So the same here, noon, ta. Okay, this is ta, this is noon. So this is the ha at the beginning, ya, ha, ba. This is the ha letter in the middle, ba, ha, alif, ba, ha, mim, then the dal and dal. Going down a little here. So it's gonna be the same, like it's easy, but like there is some different letters like ra, da. So we have here jim, dal, kha, dal, ra, za, jim, ra. Don't forget ra is not connected from the left side. Also the za, like the alif, right? Dal, dal too, and letter wow. Six letters are not connected from the both sides, just connected from the right side. We have here kha, za, and also this is one of the shapes of the ra, and this is also za. Okay, so we have here ya, ra. So focus, the black one has two dots beneath, which is ya, then the ra after. The same here, da, za. Fine. Then we have sin, shin. So this is the shapes of the sin and shin at the beginning. So we have here sin, lam, shin, lam. This is the letter sad, and this is dad. Don't forget this is ta, this is va. So we have here sad, ba, ta, ba, ba, alif, va, alif, ayn, ghayn. Don't forget this is hamza. Okay, the mix. So we have here ayn, za. Ayn can be connected, right? Ghayn, ra. Sa, sad, ayn. Also, this is one of the shapes for the ayn. We mentioned it last time. Dad, ghayn. We also mentioned it. So we have here ba, ayn, dal. Da, ghayn, dal. This one, no, it's not alif. It is hamza. Don't forget. This is also hamza, and this is also hamza. Don't forget, we have like different shapes for the hamza, separate, on top of the alif, top of the waw, top of the ya, or even beneath those letters too. So it still hamza, and it still have or it still has its own sound that we're gonna come to it next time. So the next letter is fa. So fa and qaf, wow. So we have again qaf, wow, fa, wow, fa, qaf, lam, qaf, fa, lam, ya, fa. This is meme, and this is also meme. So we have here ha, meme, lam, meme. So this is lam because it is connected to the next letter. The mix between it and the alif, please. Da, meme, da, meme, da. So those are compound letters, which means to put two or more letters together, how make the connections between them. So the next lesson gonna be about like الحروف المقطعة, child letters, and also the vowels, inshallah. So I hope that now everything's going easy, inshallah, and hope it's always clear for you. Next time gonna be a really interesting class, so please get ready for it and don't please mix between the letters. Try as much as possible not to mix between the letters because this is the most important thing for now. I need just you to know whether this letter and whether that, and if they have different shapes or if they're coming in the middle or the end. I can also figure out which letter it is without confusion. Okay. See you inshallah next time. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.